marry him. I will only marry the man I love.
You must obey our decision.
Fine. Come back here. Come back here. You must listen to what we are saying.
You dare not walk out on us.
So someone cannot love someone again?
Alright guys, as you all know, it is now very easy to create something like this using Google VEO. Now you can be able to create Nollywood movie using Google VEO, and in today's video I am going to teach you on how to use it to create any kind of TV dramas, any kind of videos you want to create. Yes, let's get to my screen and let's get started. And this is as simple as it is. Now let's get started. Now as you can see here, I am on the screen, and this is first of all, we are going to generate prompt before we head into VEO. Let's generate our prompt. So now I already told ChatGPT on what to do, and we are generating the prompt using ChatGPT. Okay, we are generating prompt using ChatGPT. So I'm going to write the prompt. The model says okay, so the mother said no, she must marry the man she loves, so it becomes a quarrel. Then the father now came in to interrupt, telling the mother and telling the girl that she must obey whatever they want. And then so now you're going to say generate a powerful Nollywood film scene prompt. The scene is living room in a mansion in Lagos. So it's going to, let's just ChatGPT generate our prompt. Now let's enter. So our prompt to be ready. So now let's wait for the prompt. So the prompt is being generated. As you can see, we don't need to waste our time. We don't need to waste time. So all we need is just the prompt. So first of all, we'll get the prompt. After getting the prompt, now let's head into our Google VEO. As you can see, we are on our VEO right now, and I'm going to paste the prompt right here. So now we are going to enter and wait for VEO to generate our video. So as you can see, this is how it is very easy to generate Nollywood video using Google VEO. As you can see, you don't need to waste your time. You just type your ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt for you, and ChatGPT will generate a very detailed prompt that will make everything look detailed, extremely cinematic and powerful. So now let us wait for it to work. Let's wait for our VEO to generate what we want. Okay, so it's going to take some time, so I'm going to pause the video, then continue when it is ready. Oh guys, our video is ready. As you can see, our video is ready. Powerful. This is mind-blowing. Let's play it and see.
No, you must not marry him. I will only marry the man I love.
You must obey our decision.
No, you must not marry him. I will only marry the man I love.
You must obey our decision.
Wow guys, this is mind-blowing. As you can see, this is how cinematic and extremely detailed it is. So now we need to maintain the same character, and this time we want to extend the action. Like I said, this is a movie, and now to extend the action, we are going to tell ChatGPT to restructure the prompt to generate another prompt, maintaining the same character, consistency, and everything the same. So now let's add ChatGPT. So the good thing about ChatGPT, you don't need to type. So now I'm going to use a microphone to use the voice. All right. Okay, ChatGPT, thank you for the other prompts. Now this time I want you to make the action. We want to extend the action now for the same scene. Now this time I want you to ensure that you are maintaining the same consistent character. Their clothing the same, their face the same, everything is the same. But this time you're going to write a prompt to extend the action, extending the action in such a way that the girl is going to become very angry and will walk out of the parent. She'll walk away into her room. She'll walk away. while she's going, the mother will say, come back here, come back here, you must listen to what we are saying. Then the father say, you dare not walk out on us. So like that. Now make it detail and generate the prompt. Okay, now let's wait for the voicing to, you can see now it is, you don't actually need to, okay, see it has, ChatGPT have converted our voicing to our real text. Now let's wait for the prompt to be generated. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's wait for the prompt. As you can see, this prompt now is going to ensure that the scene is we maintain consistent character and extend the scene. So this is how you're going to be doing it. You're doing it like this until you are getting what we want. Okay, now let's write it down. We're going to generate the same. Okay, now let's make it detail. Enter. Now let's wait for VEO to generate our video. So guys, while we wait for not to make this video longer, I am going to pause it until the video is ready. Okay guys, our video is ready. As you can see now, it's ready. This is mind-blowing. Now let's listen.
Come back here. Come back here. You must listen to what we are saying.
You dare not walk out on us. Fine.
Wow.
Come back here. Come back here. You must listen to what we are saying.
You dare not walk out on us. Fine.
You can see this is mind-blowing. Now this is how you are going to be generating it continuously until it becomes a complete movie, a complete film. As you can see, so we can now extend the story. Now let's generate another scene with same consistent character. We're going to maintain the same scene now, but different time. It's going to, now the guy is moving on. Let's move into ChatGPT again and tell ChatGPT to generate another powerful scene. All right, now okay, ChatGPT, so this time, now that we've generated that, now this time the girl now walked out of the parent. Now this scene, you're going to generate another prompt where she will walk into her bedroom. She will sit down on her bedroom and start crying while she's saying, so someone cannot love someone again. She'll start crying that she must marry the man she loves. She will be on her bed crying alone. So generate a prompt like that. But the scene must start from the bedroom, where she walked into the bedroom, opened the door and closed the door with anger, then sat down on the bed and began to cry. Write the prompt now. Ensure that you maintain the same consistent character, the same clothes she wore, her face, everything must be the same. Okay guys, that is how to do it. Once you generate that, you're not going to waste time. Like, let's wait for ChatGPT. Okay, now wow, this is mind-blowing. You don't need to type, start asking. Now you just use your voice in ChatGPT will convert that to text. Now let's generate the prompt. Now you can see, so the prompt is being prepared. Now let's wait for it to be prepared, and once the prompt is prepared, wow, this is mind-blowing. So now we're going to copy the prompt. Let's copy the prompt without wasting time. I'm going to head to our VEO again and paste it. Boom. Let's wait for it to prepare. Okay guys, as you can see, our video is ready. Let's play it and see what we've got.
So someone cannot love someone again.
Can you see? Wow, this is crazy. This is mind-blowing. This is mind-blowing.
So someone cannot love someone again.
Wow. Okay guys, so this is how you will be able to, now you are going to be generating this continuously, like you are going to be generating each of the scenes until it becomes a complete film. So this is how to do it. As you can see, it's very simple. We have it now. You can now open your video editing app and mesh them together. Once all of them are ready, you mesh them together, download and mesh them together in your video editing app, and you're good to go. That's just it. Very simple. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching to the very end of today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. All right, see you next